One of the easiest ways to jazz up simple recipes is to use fresh herbs to amp up the flavor. That and cheese. So that's what we're doing with this rustic baked corned beef and potatoes. We use leftover or prepared corned beef, like this, to coarsely chop. While we're here, we dice onions to cook with butter and fresh chopped thyme until the onions are tender, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we add the chopped corned beef to the onions off the heat along with horseradish butter, which is just a tablespoon of softened butter mixed with a tablespoon of horseradish, seasoned with salt and pepper. All this gets mixed together until the horseradish butter is evenly distributed. You'll also cut potatoes into wedges, or use frozen ones, and arrange them in a pie dish that's been coated with butter, along the bottom first, then up the sides. Combining Parmesan and Swiss cheese, we sprinkle the potato wedges with half the cheese, then top with the corned beef mixture, pressing down to compact the layers, topping with the rest of the cheese. Cover and bake at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes, then uncover and bake for a few more minutes to melt the cheese and brown the edges. Chopped green onion is optional, but adds some fresh spring color to your vibrant, delicious rustic baked corned beef and potatoes.